Look, listen, and say. Read. Do activity A from your textbook. Pair work. Answer the questions. What day is the 1st of January? Friday is the 1st of January. What day is the 3rd of January? Sunday is the 3rd of the January. How many Mondays are there in the month? There are 4 Mondays in the month. What is the first Monday of the month? 4 is the first Monday of the month. How many weekends are there in the month? There are 5 weekends in the month. Write today's date, tomorrow's date, and yesterday's date in your exercise book. Do activity C from your textbook.